If you're one of those who had missed the bus when it comes to investing in prime real estate in Bangalore, when property was widely available, don't lose hope just yet. The city now has a new real estate hotspot that experts say could soon be the new central business district, Bellary Road. The commercial development in the region has also given rise to residential development. Lakshmi Sivdas reports.
Pankaj Keswani's office is in Alsur in Bangalore. A first-generation entrepreneur, he has been living in the city for over 30 years now. But when it came to buying a new home, he chose an unlikely area that is far from his workplace, the Embassy Boulevard in Bellary Road.
Couple of factors. I mean, when you really want to, you have that lung space, right? And you have a 5,500-6,000 square feet of built-up area. The price of what you'd probably get, 1/3 of that size out here. In terms of investment, like I said, it's already up 40%. So by the time they're ready, maybe it'll be up 50-60%.
Pankaj isn't the only one. Home buyers today are flocking to buy houses in the Bellary Road area. There have been over 56 residential projects that have been undertaken in the region in the last year, with the city's top developers also being present here. Prices in the region have also pandered to investor interest, rising from a mere 3,505 rupees per square feet in the first quarter of 2011 to 5,083 rupees per square feet in the first quarter of 2014. But that's just one part of the picture. Experts say that the main reason for the sudden interest in Bellary Road is because the CBD is likely to shift here very soon.
From a commercial standpoint, 2.6 million square feet is the projects that are underway in that particular market, of which 0.8 million square feet has already been committed to by various IT companies. By 2020, 11 million square feet of commercial office space will be developed in that particular corridor. There is also the government initiative in terms of the ITBT park, the aerospace park, and the biotechnology park, all being developed in that particular micro market. I would say in the next 5 to 8 years, you would see the Bellary Road being the new CBD of Bangalore.
Other factors for Bellary Road's rise are the availability of large land parcels, proximity to the airport, and good connectivity. The region is already giving competition to the CBD areas and other areas like the Sarjapur ORR. Rentals for IT parks in the region are at 60 rupees per square feet as opposed to 68 rupees per square feet in the central business district. Rentals for office spaces have overtaken CBD at 69 rupees per square feet. However, the supply of projects remain low. Bellary Road has 7 projects as opposed to over 100 in the CBD and PBD areas.
In a natural progression where space in the CBD has become difficult to get, there are not many new buildings. So example, if you want to buy an office for a corporate company, there is no space available, good quality space. So slowly, gradually, the movement is there towards north of Bangalore, and probably you can write the date of this interview, and we won't far away where that Hebbal flyover ring road will be like MG Road of Bangalore. That's how it's moving in that direction. I can foresee there will be shopping will be at 25,000-30,000 rupees a square foot.
Of course, the grand plans for Bellary Road primarily rides on the government's ability to implement its various initiatives, failing which experts say that the picture may not be as rosy. In Bangalore, Lakshmi Sivdas, NDTV.